what I want to show now it's actually how we placing different fabric, much more stretchable fabric on the same tray. Let's see. So the difficulties with the stretchable fabric, it's not to stretch too much because maybe it will look like okay before you starting the print, but see what happened when I take it the frame out. The fabric, it's actually stretch it back. It's very problematic for the final results. So you have to stretch it, but not too much. Like this. First, to be sure that every side it's actually stretched, but not too much. You can take your fingers around the frame just to feel out with your fingers that every side is stretched enough.